Hello my crochet friends, this is Lady Jana and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new crochet kit that I want to share with you. It's a keyring kit. It makes a strawberry. Very nice. I think I'm going to like this one. It's an intermediate skill level. If we look on the back side, we have, this is all the materials we get. So let's take a look. We get 3 color yarns, a crochet hook. This is a 2mm crochet hook, but I will not be using this size. I'm going to be using a 2.5. The reason being is with experience, I found that these yarns are too big for a 2mm crochet hook, so I'm using a 2.5. If you don't have one, you can go into the description of my video and there's a link to purchase crochet hook kit. We also get this little packet. Inside you have your yarn needle, your stitch marker, and your key ring. We also get this fiber fill and the instructions. They're both in French and English. What you will also be needing that does not come with the kit is a pair of scissors, and I like to have a pen or pencil to write on my instruction just in case there's an error. Now let's take a look at the instructions. On this side of the page, we show the materials that are included. It does say that the skill level is intermediate and knowledge of crochet is required to do this. There's a few comments you can read. One of those is to not change crochet hooks, but I did change mine, but it's up to you. We also get instructions how to do these stitches. And here's the magic ring because we're going to need to know how to do this. On this side we have the instructions. Unfortunately, I cannot share the instructions with you because it's not mine to share. It's not my property. They say purchase kit. So if you're interested, best thing to do is to go to Walmart and purchase the kit. So to help you out, I'm going to be crocheting with you the first 4 rows. You start off with a magic ring with 6 single crochet inside. The difference that I'm going to be doing is I'm not going to be doing the chain 1, and I'm not going to be doing the joining. The style of crochet I'm doing is working in around. When you work in around, you do not join or do the chain 1, but this will be up to you. I prefer my method. For the rest of the instructions, if there's any kind of errors or if there's any special stitch, I will show them to you. Let's start with the row number 1, which is a magic ring. And we're going to add 6 single crochet inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Remove the tail from the ring, pull, and it closes. Now we're ready for row number 2. For row number 2, I'm not going to be doing a join, or I'm not going to be doing chain 1. I'm going to start my row number 2 in the first stitch that I created earlier, right here. So row number 2 says single crochet stitch, single crochet in the next stitch, followed by a single crochet increase. You do this 3 times and you should have 9 single crochet at the end. This is our first single crochet. Don't forget to place your stitch marker. Then you do a single crochet increase. 1, 2, which is 2 single crochet in the same stitch. Single crochet, then an increase, single crochet, and increase. So if you count, you should have 9 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So your 9 is done. remove your stitch marker, and now we're ready to start row number 3. In row number 3, we do single crochet in the next 2 stitch and then a single crochet increase. Okay, so this is our next stitch. Again, we don't do the joining, we don't do the chain 1. We right away start with our row. So 1 single crochet, place a stitch marker, another single crochet in the next stitch, and then an increase. One single crochet, 1 single crochet, increase. 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, increase. And we're at the end, we're at our stitch marker, and we should now have 12 stitches if you count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We can now remove our stitch marker, and we're ready for the next row, for row number 4. Row number 4 is single crochet in the next 3 stitch followed by an increase. We do this 3 times. So it's single crochet, stitch marker, single crochet, single crochet, then increase. Single crochet, single crochet, then increase. Single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, and then increase. Okay, I just realized that I made a mistake around there. I forgot a single crochet. That's what I'm left with, a single crochet. So I'm just going to do a single crochet. That's okay. But let's do our count just to make sure. So we should have 15 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we do have 15 stitches. Our count is good. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull on my tail and I'm going to weave this in. So you guys can go ahead and continue on the next rows. If there's any mistakes or any new stitches to show you, I will definitely show these to you. This is my strawberry done to up to row 12. For row 13, we start to do a decrease. I will show you how I do the decreases. First thing is do 9 single crochet. 1, don't forget your stitch marker. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. To do the decreases, you'll need this stitch and this stitch. You're going to stitch them together. So go into the first stitch, yarn over, and then pull through. Go into the next stitch, yarn over, and then pull through. Now you have 3 loops. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Do 9 single crochet in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you need this stitch and this stitch. Go into the first stitch, yarn over, pull through, go into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops, and that's your decrease. And you continue 9 single crochet, and at the end you're going to do another decrease. Now you should be fine doing the rest of the rows that requires decreases. It is now time to do the leaf. First thing you do is you do your magic ring and you add 6 single crochet. On the next row it's 2 single crochet in each of the 6 stitches. Now we have 12 stitches, 12 single crochet. The third row is, now let's go through the third row. I believe there's a little bit of discrepancy. There's a slip stitch missing, and that would be missing right here. Instead of saying 1, I believe it should say 2. So let's give this a try. We start with 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and on the second chain from hook, go ahead and do your slip stitch, and then on the next you do a half single crochet, okay, and the one after you do 2 double crochet in the same. 1 and then 2. Now it says to skip this one and go straight down, and we're going to do a slip stitch, but we have to do a second slip stitch and go to the next, because remember there's 12 and we only do 6 times the petals. Okay, let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in the second chain from hook we have our slip stitch, and then our half double crochet, and 2 double crochet. One, two, skip, go down in here, slip stitch, and I'm going into the next stitch. I'm going to do another slip stitch, and then we do this again. So if we look at the space in between, so this would be 3, then 4, then 5, then 6. This will give us what we want. So go ahead, you can finish this off. Your leaf should look like this. Now it would be a good idea to iron this so you'd have less issues trying to sew this on your strawberry. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some pins, and I'm going to pin this first, like this. And then I'm going to flatten all of the leaves. Every single one, I'm going to place them the way I want them. And once they're all placed, I'm going to first sew a little bit right here. And also I will sew just maybe just a tad right there. I'm not going to sew everything. No. I'm just going to sew on the ends of the leaves like this and around. And that's it for the sewing. And don't forget to finish your little seeds. This is less of a yarn but more of a thread. So use your thread, do the seeds, and you're going to be done. Look at this nice strawberry. My strawberry is all done. My seeds have been sewn in, and I placed the keychain on top. If you've done the strawberry, let me know. Leave me in the comments section if you like doing this one. I did. So this is the last of my series of keychains. The next crochet kits are bigger crochet kits, still from Walmart. I don't have any more from Dollarama. I hope that you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have yourself a great day. Take care.